Hey there, savvy gamers! Ready to turn your gaming skills into some serious cash? Alright, first things first. Get your hands on this awesome app that turns your gaming skills into actual cash. Step 2. Dive headfirst into the games you absolutely adore. And finally, here's the best part. Imagine pocketing a sweet $1,000 every single week just by doing what you love the most. Now, I bet you're itching to know the name of this app, right? Well, I've given it a shot myself and I'm about to dish out all the details. Now, cashing on in gaming is just one of the cool side hustles we talk about here. In today's video, I'm unveiling a fresh app for you to explore. Step 1, I will guide you through the app and the games that can line your pockets with online earnings. In Step 2, I'm spilling the beans on secret methods to not just double, but triple your cash flow from gaming. And for the grand finale in Step 3, I'm pulling back the curtain on my earnings and what I've cashed out from the side. Welcome to the gateway of online income. Ready to uncover ways to make money from the comfort of your home? Explore proven methods, discover new opportunities, and unlock the secrets of making money online. To ensure you don't miss out on any valuable insights, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell. Stay connected, ensuring you're the first to be notified whenever a new video is released. Get ready to turn your ambitions into reality. Let's get started. Now for that first step, head over to prizes.game.com. It's the go-to for prizes by GameMe, run by the cool cats at GameMe, the gaming platform turning money dreams to reality. Simple, right? Alright, let's dive into the platform. Hit that sign-in option on the homepage, and whether you roll with Facebook or email, you are in. As a welcome gesture, they toss you 100 points after your first login. Easy, right? Now, brace yourself because this platform throws over $32,000 in prizes every week. And the current tally sits at $135. The app's loaded with moves to line your pockets, and I'm about to spill the details. First up, the cool move. The fortune wheel, your personal money machine. One spin just landed me a crisp $1. You get 2 free spins daily, but here's the kicker. Stack up more by hitting a button for 2 extra spins each time you watch a quick ad. Stick around, I will spill the beans on my earnings in the cash out game plan. Here's the sweet part. Hit $10 in earnings and you can cash out straight to your PayPal account. No hoops to jump through. It's a game changer. You don't need a fortune to hit that withdrawal button, and scoring $10 in this app is a breeze. Another nifty trick, dive into the lineup of games they've got. I'm vibing with Color Hit. Tricky but seriously entertaining. Goal? Smack the target with the same color as your pins. And as you do, you are stacking up the green. Wrap up a game and bam! You will see your earnings. Just like those extra tickets I snagged. Now about those tickets, they're your golden ticket to more cash and bigger giveaways. The game plan? Rack up as many tickets as you can by diving into all the games they've got on the app. Next on the list, Step 2 in the money-making marathon. Hit the prizes section. I'm just 10,000 tickets away from diving into a giveaway for a shot at some free cash. Here's the magic trick. Double your ticket stash each time you earn them. Easy peasy. 30 minutes and you're 10,000 tickets richer. Stay tuned for more tricks and tips to boost those earnings. Alright, let's dive into some serious strategy for boosting those earnings. Imagine you've just aced a game and the points are rolling in. Now here's the game changer. The double it option. Click on that gem, catch a quick ad, and voila! You're doubling up on the tickets you just snagged. And hey, that button is not just about tickets. It's your golden ticket to the prize pool page. There you will get the lowdown on potential winnings based on your leaderboard position. Imagine this. The top player could walk away with a sweet $750. So, keep piling up those tickets and your chances at big earnings and giveaways will soar. Now let's talk about prizes. Picture this. From the second to the fifth spot, you're pocketing $100 per person. Slide into the 6th to 10th range and it's still a cool $10 per person. But hold up, there's more. The prizes section is loaded with freebies. Take the $10 jackpot for instance. It's not just spare change. It's the shot at grabbing a solid 10 grand in cold hard cash. Here's your entry ticket. Click on that eye-catching yellow box, toss in 5 random numbers, and your lucky charm. Kick back until the clock hits a specified time. And boom, you could be rolling in 10 grand. The fun does not stop there. For $10 and $100 cash giveaways, hit the Get a Lucky Number button. Snag a random number post ad, and then it's a breeze. Tap your way through the fields, watch a few ads, and you are in the game. But here's the deal. Getting in on these opportunities hinges on stacking up those tickets. How? It's as easy as diving into game after game. Don't worry, there are more ways in. Complete missions, invite your pals, give that fortune wheel a spin, or jump into a tournament. The tickets will pile up. And let's be real, playing games is the MVP move here. It's not just about the tickets. It's about diving into a sea of games that will keep you entertained while you are raking in those tickets. The app's got a stash of games from fun to downright challenging, keeping the excitement alive. So grab those tickets, stack them high, and let the games begin. Hey, to those still with me, here's a killer bonus tip to skyrocket your ticket game. Think 10 times more tickets in less time. But before we go on, I want you to know that I'm always making new content. So make sure to like my video and subscribe to it so you don't miss anything. Ready for the scoop? Dive into the top offers section. It is like stumbling onto a treasure trove of popular games, promising a sweet haul of 4,000 to a whopping 300,000 tickets per game. Simple, right? Just install the games, conquer certain levels, and watch those tickets pile up. Check out the top earners in that section. They're the living proof that being active and consistent on this platform can seriously fill your pockets. But hold up, there's more. Live tournaments are in the mix too. Get in on the action, snag that first place spot, and you are scoring more tickets. It is a bit of a showdown against fellow users, injecting some healthy competition into the mix. Now let's dive into the third step, the withdrawal process. But before we get to my earnings, let's break down the Gammy app. This app's cash flow comes from the ads we watch and the apps we install. The cool part? They share a slice of that revenue with us for our time and engagement. Speaking of earnings, check this out. I've stacked up over $76 and a cool 13,000 tickets, all from playing games. Now for the next move, cashing in. Open the app on your phone, hit up the withdrawal option, and on the next screen, eyeball for your total earnings. Once you're good to go, hit that withdrawal button. Fill in the blanks with your deets, personal address, financial wizardry, and then give a nod to the truth by clicking I declare the above stated is true. Hit submit and sit tight. Now let the magic happen. Look at that. $76 just slid into my PayPal account from Gammy. Boom. This is your proof. The app's no joke when it comes to keeping its promise of paying up. Quick, easy, and game on for that cash. That concludes our video showing different ways to earn money online. Thanks for being a part of this informative exploration into making money on the internet. If you're hungry for more tips and strategies, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell. Your support fuels our content creation. Until next time, happy earning!